Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Euro Truck Simulator 2, the game file system failed to initialize. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, for Euro Truck Simulator, you're going to skip through it all and go to the desktop. Then from here, you're going to search for settings and click on yes. And then from here, you're going to pull up this window where you're going to be at home. And then once you do that, you're going to click on update security. And then from here, go to Windows Security. Now from here, you're going to go to Virus and Threat Protection. And then from here, it's going to open a new window where you're going to scroll down until you see the Ransom Protection, Manage Ransomware Protection. And then from here, click on Yes. And then from here, click on Allow an app through controlled folder access. And then from here, you're going to click on Add an allowed app, and then the recently blocked apps, and then browse all apps. Now from here, you're going to get the file location of the game. To do so, go back to your Steam, go to your library where you have the game installed, and whatever the game is, so let's pretend this is the same game, you're going to go to Properties, you're going to go to Installed Files, and you're going to click on Browse. From here, you can see there's the game, so we're going to copy this, right click, and then click on Copy. Then go back to Settings, where you can paste it right here. And as you can see, you're going to find the game. So for example, this one, click on Open, and then click on Close, and now you have it right here. Then from here, all you have to do is close Steam and fully close it right here. So right click and then click on Exit Steam. And then once you open it again and try to run the app, it will work. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.